As we know, in last class, we discussed three equations of motion by using a graphical method. So, can anybody tell me what is the three equations of motion? First one, V equals to
Velocity time, sir.
velocity time graph. Second one, displacement.
Distance,
Third one,
displacement time graph, sir.
second one is displacement. Third one,
Displacement time relation.
yes. Second one is displacement and time relation. S is equals to ut plus half.
Half 80 square.
Third one is displacement
Third
velocity
one is
relation.
displacement velocity relation, sir.
V square minus u square is equals to
2
2a.
A's.
So, if you want to solve the first equation, we need to know the slope of a graph. Yes or no, guys? All of you remembered BD? Yes, please. If you want to find the first equation, we need to know the slope of the graph, which I have taken entire graph. Entire graph is different. Yes, Mari?
Yes, sir.
So from this graph, if you want to find the first equation, we need to know slope of this one. So BD, C, A, O. So if you want to solve the second equation, we need to know two things. One is what? That is what? Area of a rectangle.
Displacement
Area of a rectangle plus area of a,
triangle, sir.
yeah,
Right.
area of a
Yes,
triangle. Yes or no, Nivedan? Area of a
sir.
triangle. Next, third one, if you want to know directly, we need to know what? Area.
Trapezium.
Yeah, area of a trapezium. So area of a trapezium. So if you all knows that, then we people can solve these three equations very easily by using the graphical method. That is what we studied in the last class. Yes or no, Mr. Gokul Raj, Sangamitra,
Yes, sir.
otherwise I won't be. So now let me, before going to start today's class, so as I told you, today's class, we are going to derive the same three equations of motion by using algebraic method. So before that, I want to make you 2 points. So please write the 2 points. Then after that, we will proceed with the algebraic method. So make it in the derivation of first equation. Write point number 1. Note all of you. In the derivation of first equation, what is the first equation, everybody? What is the first equation?
Velocity time relation.
Velocity time relation. V equals to u plus at. First equation. We have used the concept of the, what is the concept we have used? Everybody, check it, everybody. Concept of the what it is? Triangle means what is that, Mari, actually?
Sir, equilateral triangle, sir.
That is what is that? Equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. What is that actually? Slope is
Slope
equals to
formula,
tan
sir.
is equals to BD divided by AD. So that is the
AD.
formula we'll use. Yes or no, guys? Concept of slope. Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
That is it. Use the concept that that the slope of velocity time graph will give you what, guys? Anybody? Slope of velocity time graph gives you what? Those who are not responding, you can leave from the meeting. No issues. Gives what, guys?
Sir, acceleration.
That is that. Okay, that is the first important note. Please make it. Next, second. In the derivation of second and third equation of motion, what is the use? What we used? Both commonly we used something. Area of a what? Area of a
Sir, area of triangle and
area of a
rectangle.
Sir, area
trapezium
of
only.
triangle and rectangle.
Area of a trapezium only we have taken as a 2. Area of a triangle plus area of a rectangle. And third equation entirely area of a trapezium. Yes or no? That's all.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right.
Yes, sir.
In the derivation of second and third equation, in the derivation of second and third equation, third equations of motion, we have used the concept that, what is the concept we used actually here? A means what? What is the concept,
Area.
Shivani? We use the concept called as area. Okay, concept that the area under the concept that area under the Lingesh called Kishore under the velocity time graph that gives what us, guys? Always
Displacement.
Yes. Displacement covered by the body. Is it yes or no? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what. So please write. These are the very, very important points. That's what I just discussed in the form of mathematically and statement we are writing. Is it okay? Yes, Gokul Raj. Any doubt, Mr. Kishore?
Yes, sir.
How are you, man? Late always. Bad boy. Nivedan? Okay, wow.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, so today's class, what we'll do? We'll solve the same equations in what way? By algebraic method. Okay, right. Equations of motion by algebraic method. Very simple. Kishore, tell me all the three equations of motion. Fastly. Gokul Raj, you both. Yeah. Mari, who is absent? Kishore, Sanjay, Sailesh, Agalya, and Alifa. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first, Kishore, I am asking you three equations of motion. Solunga, first equation of motion, what is that? Gokul Raj?
In the derivation of 2,
I am asking only first equation of motion. What is that? Formula, tell me. What is the first equation of motion, Ra? Everybody.
Sir, V is equal to U plus
That
AT,
is
sir.
that is what I am asking, Mari. U is equals to
U plus 80.
yeah, V equals to U plus 80. That's what I need it. You cannot say that. Okay, right. Now, right. We are going to derive with the help of what now today? Algebraic method. Okay, right.
Algebraic method.
Yeah, right. If you want to solve the first equation, let's consider a body moving with. Let's consider a body moving with. First, listen, everybody. I'll give time. Moving with initial velocity. What is the symbol of initial velocity? Anybody can tell?
U.
Symbol of initial velocity U,
U.
and it acquires final velocity. Final velocity is what?
V.
V,
Okay, final
V.
velocity V after time t. After time t. So can you tell me what is the acceleration of the body? Acceleration in a body after time t. Can you tell me, everybody? Time t is, what is that? Acceleration equals to formula.
Sir,
Change in
V
velocity.
minus U.
Acceleration
Sir,
equals
change of
to
velocity by time
change in
taken.
velocity divided by
time taken.
time taken. Very good.
Time taken.
Time taken. Yes. So change in velocity only what we used to call final velocity minus
U.
Initial
everybody.
Initial velocity.
Initial velocity. Involved in the class. Initial velocity. Everybody should speak. Initial velocity divided by what? Time.
Time.
Yes,
Time
sir.
taken.
Okay.
Time.
Now, acceleration. What is the symbol of acceleration? A. Final
A.
velocity V. Initial velocity
V minus U
divided by T. Sorry, yeah.
by T.
Yeah. Now T is in division. Will come this side. What will become? AT is equals to V minus U. Now
Multiplication.
minus U is in minus U will come this side. What will become? Everybody.
SU, sir.
Plus U. So V is equals to what, Mari? U plus.
U plus
U.
AT.
That's all. First equation of motion. Understand, everybody?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Very simple, huh?
Simple, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
2 minutes time. Do it fast. Neatly. That's all first equation of motion. Very simple. Yes or no?
Sir.
Do it. Agalya, late. Right. Sailesh, Sanjay is sleeping, I think. Sunday, correct?
Sir, can you move the side a little bit up? Thank you.
First equation, everyone clear, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anybody? So let's start second equation, Mari.
Yes, sir.
Right, second equation. Derivation of second equation of motion. Derivation of second equation of motion. So let's start now, everybody. So for derivation of second equation of motion, you have to be little careful and you should tell me. We have studied average velocity rend formula. Have you remember? If the constant
Yes, sir.
acceleration, what is the average velocity formula?
The constant acceleration, final velocity plus initial velocity by 2, sir.
Yes, very good. Have you remembered everybody, Lingesh? Yes, Lingesh. Three equations of motion are finding acceleration only. Okay, wow. Uniform acceleration or constant acceleration. Right. Derivation of second
Variable
equation of motion.
acceleration.
Right. Yeah, Mari. Let's consider a body initially moving with velocity u, moving with the velocity u and constant acceleration. All of you remember constant acceleration. Yes, constant acceleration a. Okay. After time t, v be the final velocity. So can you tell me now? We know that what is the v average velocity? Anybody can tell, please? Constant acceleration, please. Constant acceleration means what is the yes, average velocity is what?
Sir, final velocity
plus
initial
Plus
velocity
initial velocity. Agalya, tell me.
by 2, sir.
Shivani,
By
divided
2.
by 2.
By 2.
So that is
By
what?
2.
So we used to take V average. Mr. Nivedam, by the time you are not attended, so you have to watch the videos and you have to take. Okay, wa?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
3 plus
Initial
2 by
velocity.
2.
Remember, if it is constant acceleration, V average velocities, this is the formula. If constant acceleration, be very careful. Sarya? Yes? All of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That is. Now, let me take this is equation 1. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. Now, if, let me write, if S is the, S means what? Speed, distance, distance. Understand? If S is the distance traveled by the body in time t, with average velocity, V average, then can you tell me what is the V average is equals to? What is the formula?
Sir, V plus U by T by
Mari,
2,
already
sir.
V average means this is Mari. I already know V average means, but it is traveling now distance S and time t. Then what is the velocity formula? Velocity is equals to what, guys? Everybody, distance by
Total distance by time.
Distance by time.
understand?
This
Everybody?
Sir, but one doubt, sir.
Yes, Mari.
Sir, then it is non-uniform variable motion, sir.
Not Mari. Variable constant motion only. I'm taking instead of distance, you take displacement also. Nothing wrong, Mari. Just I'm asking you. That's all. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
wow.
sir.
Yes. Purima, everybody clear, ma? So V average equals to what? Distance by time. Yes or no?
is sir.
Yes. Now, can you tell me from this? Distance equals to, what is the formula will come? V average into time. Is it right? All of you, will you accept with me? I'll take it as equation 2. Right or wrong? T is in division, will come this side multiplication. Yes or no? All of you should tell.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Now substitute equation 1 in 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. What will happen, guys? In place of V average, what I can write? Let me see. Who will say first? Yes, please. S is equals to Agalya.
Sir, S is equal to
Yeah.
V
S is
plus
equals
U
to
by 2 into
V
time,
plus
sir.
U by 2 into time. Is it right, all of you? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anybody?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let me take this is equation number 3. Is it okay, Mari? Now,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Using first equation of motion. What is the using first equation of motion? Tell me. Using first equation of motion. What is the first equation of motion? I want to know. Please.
Sir,
V
V is
plus U
equal
by
to
2.
U plus AT.
V is equals to U plus AT. Is it right or wrong? Will you all accept it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we all knows X is equals to Y. Means in place of X, I can write Y. Or Y is equals to X. In place of X, I can write Y. Will you all accept it? Yes. All of you.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
in place of V, what I can write, Lingesh? I can write U plus AT. Can I write it or not, Lingesh?
Yes, sir. We can write.
That's all. Okay. From first equation of motion, I will say S is equals to, in place of V, what I can write? U plus AT plus U plus U. This U. Is it okay, va? Respond, ra. U by 2 into T. Okay, everyone? No response at all. I don't
Yes,
know.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next. S is equals to, check it. U into U. What? U into U.
Square.
Wait, plus, sorry, not into, sorry. U plus U.
2U.
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 Okay, that is 2U plus AT into T divided by 2. Now, multiply this one. A plus B into C. What is the mathematics? A into C, AC plus B into C, BC. Same way, tell me here. 2U into T, 2UT plus AT into T. What is the draw?
AT square, sir. AT
Yeah,
square.
18 square.
AT
It
square
is
by 2.
square.
Clear, Lingesha?
Yes, sir.
Kishore? Now mathematics you see. 1 plus 2 by suppose 3 means. Can I write as a 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3? Is it right or wrong? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same way.
Yes,
This
sir.
one. 2UT by 2 plus what I can write, Mari? AT square
18
AT
square
square by
square
2.
by
is
2.
equals to yes. Now here you see 2 will get
So the
cancelled.
2 will cancel.
S is equals to UT plus this one you see. Can I write this one as 3 by 2 means can I write as a 1 by 2 into 3? Is it right or wrong? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's all. So this by 2 I will bring front. Half AT square. That is the second equation of motion. Varanicha? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second equation of motion. Read everybody how to read second equation of motion. S equals to
UT plus half AT
half AT
square.
square.
UT
Equals
plus
to UT
half
plus
AT.
half AT square. Any doubt? Nivedan? Shivani? Sangamitrai? ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா இருக்கு. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But these all mathematical tools I am using here. So just for your purpose, for better understanding. You understood or not? Anyone have
Understood,
any
sir.
doubt? Yeah,
Understood.
solve it now from the beginning. I'll show you slowly solve. So for solving the second equation of motion, we need to take what? Body which is having constant velocity, constant acceleration. Constant acceleration means V average is what?
Final velocity.
Plus
Final
initial
velocity
velocity by
plus
2.
initial velocity by 2.
Yes, and we have to consider body is traveling some distances in a time t. Then V average is equals to what? Total distance divided by total time taken. Clear?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, divided by distance by time. So from that, distance equals to V average into time. Then you substitute one by one, you will get everything. Is it okay, guys? I hope everybody understood.
Yes, sir.
Gokul, Clear, Gokul, Lingesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please proceed. I'll slowly make it, solve it, we'll proceed. Completed. Next. Come down. Right.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Okay, shall I proceed?
Sir, down, sir.
Completed?
Completed, sir.
Others?
Completed, sir.
Okay, right next third equation. Third equation is very, very simple, guys. Again, it is it's nothing stuff. So again, so derivation of third equation of motion. Make it heading. Derivation of third equation of motion. So for this also we have to take average velocity where the body is traveling with a constant acceleration. Means in the sense of what? Average velocity, what is the formula? Same, first two things.
Five.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Final velocity plus initial velocity by 2.
Yeah, till there you take. Start proceeding. Consider a body moving with initial velocity. Consider a body. Consider a body moving with the initial velocity u, and it acquires velocity v under constant acceleration. Under constant acceleration a in time t. So then what is the v average? Everybody. Yes, please.
V plus U by
V average equals to everyone initial velocity plus, please respond, final velocity
final
divided
velocity
by what? 2.
divided by
That's
2.
what I take. V average is equals to u plus v by 2. Yes or no? Let me take this is equation 1. Any doubt? Anyone? Now, if S is the distance or displacement, whatever it is, distance traveled by the body in time t with the average velocity v average, then v average is equals to what? Everybody tell me. Distance by
Time.
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 Let me take this is equation number 2. Now from the equation number 2 I will say S is equals to v average into time. Is it right or wrong, all of you? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Now let me take, this is not equation 2, this is, I will take it as equation 2. Okay, Mari? Now,
Sir.
what is our next step? Substitute equation 2 in where?
Equation 1.
Sorry, equation
One.
1 in, equation 1 in,
Equation 2.
yeah, equation 1 in equation 2. Substitute equation 1 in equation 2. Solanga fastly, what will come? S is equals to U plus V by 2 into T. Is it right or wrong? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt, anybody? Now this one, can I modify as a, it is both U plus V. Can I write as a V plus U? Is it any problem for you people?
No,
Both are
sir.
addition only, correct? Okay, that's fine. Lingnesh, can you tell me the third equation once, please? Can you tell me the third equation once, please?
U square minus V square is equal to 2AS.
What is that? V square minus U square is equals to 2AS.
Equal to
So yesterday
AS.
also I asked you. Yesterday also I asked
Yes.
you.
Yes.
Something is present in both equations, first and second, but third equation it is not present.
Sir, time.
Time.
Very good. So time should
Time.
not be present. So now you see, now using first equation of motion, can you tell me time relation? Using first equation of motion, I want time relation. Yesterday also we have been found. First equation of motion, what is that? V equals to U plus AT. Then we want for time. Then what will happen? AT is equals to V minus U and T is equals to what?
V minus U by A.
By 2, sir.
Yeah, A. So let me take, this is equation number 3. Clear? Okay, equation number 4 if you want. So because this is, I will take it as a 3. Okay, wow, everybody respond. This is equation
sir.
3 and this
Sir.
is equation 4. Now what we have to do? Substitute equation 4 in.
Equation
Substitute.
3.
Yeah, equation 4 in where, guys? Equation 3.
Equation 3.
That's all. So S is equals to V plus U by 2 into T equals to what? V minus U by A. Is it okay?
A.
Yes, that's all from here. Everybody fastly you can tell me. Agalya, S equals to LCM is what? 2A.
Sir, V square minus U square by 2
V
square.
square minus
2A is in division. Will come this side. Multiplication. 2AS is equals to V plus U and V minus U. So yesterday we have done from the algebra. Yes, we all know A plus B into A minus B. What, Shivani? Tell me, no response.
A
square minus B square.
So tell me same way, V plus U and V minus U. What we can write, Shivani?
B square minus U square.
V square minus U square.
V square minus U square.
Minus U square.
Yeah, we can be reversed it. V square is equals to minus U will come this side. What will become?
Sir, 2AS
U.
minus
Yeah, V
Plus.
square is equals to U square plus 2AS. Or 2AS is equals to V square minus U square. So or I can write V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. Ellame, what equations?
Same.
Third equation of.
Third equation. Motion.
Okay, everybody.
Motion.
For solving second and third equation, we have to remember both the same thing. You understanding? Third equation, just replacing the time. Second equation, substituting the V. See, second equation, what we have done in place of V, we substituted the first equation of motion. Third equation, what we are doing? T, we are replacing with the first equation of motion. Do you all understand? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Really? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the first equation is a subset, sir.
Yes, Mar. Subset, first equation only we are substituting here. Second equation also we are getting from first equation. Third equation also we are getting from first equation. But third equation and second equation assumption is same. Starting. Have you noticed it? Beginning is
Yes,
same.
sir.
That is what. So solve it, everybody. Third equation. Make it fast. That's what I told you, correct. Within a period we will finish it. Then tomorrow we will solve numericals related to these equations of motion. I want to say you some important points. So after that we'll solve some numericals. Then this concept over. Then hardly by Tuesday, uniform circular motion over. Then this chapter is also over. Okay. So are you all very clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, do it. Solve it now.
Sir, can you please down the screen, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, complete it.
Clear? Sangamitra, I don't know. See, either she able to solve or not. Shivani, you?
Sir, I can't understand the fourth equation.
Which one?
The
Fourth.
fourth one.
Fourth one, yesterday also we derived, correct? Ma? Acceleration formula, tell me, Shivani. Acceleration formula what? A equals to V minus U by
V
T.
minus
Yes
U.
or no?
Right.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now T will come this side. What will become? AT is equals to V minus. Sorry? Now, A is in multiplication. We want relation for T, Shivani. A is in multiplication. Will come this side. What will become? T is equals to V minus U by A. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
That's all here also I am doing. But I am not saying here directly from acceleration. From first equation I am saying. First equation also what will happen? U will come this side. It will become minus. Okay, wa? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Next, what is there? AT equals to V minus U. Now, we want a T because T we should replace. Then A is in what? Multiplication. We don't want A this side. So T alone one side. So A is coming this side. It will become what? Division. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday, when we are deriving third equation, in place of V minus U, we have written AT. Do you remember, Shivani? In place of AT, we have written V minus U. V minus U means AT. Graphical method. Graphical method, we replaced V minus U means AT. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Because,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
because as we know, midpoint, this is B, this is D, and this is C. So this actually what? BC is the final velocity and DC is the initial velocity. Then I want to get BD. What we have done, Shivani? BD is equals to what? BC minus DC.
B minus BC.
So BC means V and DC means U. So V minus U means we have replaced it with what? AT. Do you remember? Slope of the graph is AT. Yes or no, Shivani?
Yes, sir.
That's all it is. Same, similar thing here we are doing. Okay, wa?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Clear?
Thank you,
Sangamitra,
sir.
you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, only. I don't know doing or not. I'll say you correct. Offline class, I'll say. Do it. What, Mare? What Lingesh? I'm not understanding. Sir, AT means acceleration into time. Ah, yes, Mare. Yes, sir. Yes, Lingesh. Okay. Any doubt, anybody? Pranav?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's all three equations of motion. Anyone having any doubt, you can ask. Or else, that's fine. So this is what today's class. And tomorrow we'll solve the numericals. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so complete and wind up. I'll send the PDF also. So solve it. We'll continue from here. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow we'll meet.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.